Hi guys, so today I'm here to replace these connectors from this welding machine. They have too much use and then they burn out like this, and the connector does not function well. Look at this. I will need to replace the two connectors. Okay, look. These two, look, these are this can't be used anymore. In certain points it still fixes, but I have a lot of wiggle and space to move, so I need to replace. Okay, so first thing I have to do is to open the case and remove the connectors. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so I remove the front part from the case. Now we'll remove the connectors over here. Let's go. Okay, so the connectors come out like this. This one is stuck, but a little bit of force they come out. Yeah, this came out like this, and it stays like this. This is well worn. Look at this. A lot of damage, but okay, but it's okay. We'll pick the new ones. Okay, this is the old ones. Let's pick the new ones. Okay, so I have here the new ones. You can buy it on Amazon, AliExpress, whatever you want. This is a pair that you can like this. Okay, new ones. Look, they look good. And we have here for the cables, the female and the one for the cables and the male. So let's put this new one in here. So these have a position, look, and these fit like this. Now I put this in here, so the position 2, it's locked. Now put this, rotate it. So you will need a 22 range, 22 side range, and you just put it tight. Okay, it's good. This is not a line, but it's good. It's got a position and it's fine. Let's put another screw. No, wait, we need to put this metal part first. You need to put this metal part like this, okay, so it can fit on the case. Okay, this one is good. Let's put the other one. This one, look, have a lot of damage and can't be on a good position, but I will try to screw that and force it to be good, in a good position. Like this. Okay. So it is good. Now we need the other metal part. That is this one. Here, okay. It's okay. It's secure. Let's put the case back. First, I will just give a clean to the case because this is a lot of dust. I will just blow with some blower. Okay. So I will come here soon. Okay. So I give it a good a blow with some air. I use this type of air duster. Look at this for the PCs and something like that. It's good. It's good. For me, it's better than buy air cans because I need to buy it every day and I don't want to do that. So I have this one over here. It's good. It's powerful. Yeah, it's good. So let's put this together. Okay, so the case is fixed and assembled. Let's go replace the connectors from the cables, the males. Okay, let's go do that. First we need to remove this pentagon screw. Okay. Okay. So yeah, remove this. And remove the old. Let's remove this too because it's come here. This come too, so remove it. I think I will cut this cable in here and then I will go strip and put a new, because it's very old. Look at this, a lot of loose wires, so let's do that. Okay, the copper is good. Okay, nice copper wire. I twist it. We'll put the new connector in. No, first I will put this. Okay, this is in place. I will put the new connector in. So I put it in. And now I just have to screw this. With this ratchet it's easier. And I can screw it very well. Make a good contact. Okay, I think the contact is very good. Okay, it's in place. Now, okay, so I need to put this in here. So you need to look at the arrows, or you need to look inside and see where is the mounts that can slide in here in these holes. Okay, let's make this like this. Okay, so okay, it is in place. It is good. Let's put the other one. Again, look at this. Let's make a good contact. I will cut the wire in here and make the contact again. Okay, the other one is in place too. It's good. Thanks for watching, guys, and I see you on the next video.